Hi everyone, welcome to the channel once again. Today I'm very excited. In fact, this is one video I've been looking up to when a lot of the audience on Twitter said, yes, give us an unboxing video. This is my newest order that I placed and I'm going to unbox it for you today. It is my all-in-one PC, a 27-inch all-in-one PC from MSI. And as you can see, I have everything sealed. We are going to look into it and see absolutely everything that is inside and how it works. So a quick overview of what this machine is. Let's see, the model is MSAF81, an Intel Core i7 machine with a 2.8 gigahertz processor speed, SSD with 512 gig, then 16 gig RAM. Yeah, I mean, pretty cool machine. And let's get started by opening this up and seeing exactly what is inside. Okay, so get ready. Let's cut this. Ooh, first time. So excited. Like, I'm super excited to see what is in this box. First things first. So this is the wireless mouse and keyboard that we promised as part of it. Wow. Oh man, it's going to be nice, so nice. What else do we have in here? So screws, then the charger. MSI stickers. Nice. This is supposed to be a mouse pad. Oh, it's a manual. Okay. Manual. Alright. Let's dig into it so I can bring this out. Yeah, this feels easier. I had done it this way at first. Okay, we're good. Now to separate these ones. Is it glued? Oh, it's glued. Okay. Once I know it's glued, then I can just put them apart. Great. So this ideally would be this way, right? Yeah. Something like this, standing there with the screen attached to it. So can't wait to fix this and that. Now to the screen. Woo. So pull it up, pull it up. One gone. Another. Oh no! No way. Okay. Absorbents and the screen. Finally, come out. Out. Here we are. Here we are. Finally. Here we are. Okay. So let me look at the back. Okay. Yeah, so here you have HDMI in, HDMI out. Then two USB ports, then the Ethernet ports. That's nice, and I think this is going to fit into the holder. The power button is here. Okay. On this other side, Type C, USB, then the 3.5mm jack for headsets. Okay. there anything here? Yeah, so this is a slot for an extra hard drive. Yeah. Okay, I mean pretty cool. There's also a USB port here. That's nice. Now to the fixing. So this is now ready. Oh man, my computer is here. Woo! Huh. Finally, this is the MSI 27-inch all-in-one PC fully unboxed. What it came with is the all-in-one PC itself, as in the monitor that you can see that has the system unit and everything inbuilt. And as I mentioned earlier, it has a 512 gig SSD in it, and there's a wireless keyboard as well as a wireless mouse. It comes with its charger. Then, surprisingly, it comes with a webcam as well. And I can't wait to power this up and start using it. Maybe I'll do a video showing you the setup process of me setting this up. If you are looking forward to that particular video, just comment it down below and let me know that you're excited about it. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to. And also, if there is any other video that you are looking forward to, just comment it below and I got you covered. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.